So this one's going to be, I think, a sort of productive chill work day in life. Productive chill? Like chill as in I'm not travelling to London or anything like that. It's just a standard work day. But I am going into the office because there's a team lunch on today. Do I only go into the office when they're promising to buy me food? My day to day, it's like relatively busy. I'd say it's about half and half meetings and not meetings, which is kind of standard because I need time to do the work that comes out with meetings. I'm guessing if you clicked on this video, it's because you're interested in what a consultant does sort of day to day. Maybe you're a student thinking about careers, or maybe you're about to start your own career. I work with data and there's data protection laws, and I can't show you what I'm actually working on. But when I get back from work, I will talk a little bit about what being a consultant actually involves, programming languages, software that I use, that sort of thing. I'll let you know a little bit about what I do in case that's helpful. So that's today's video, and I'm about to set off for the office. But before I go, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Casetify, who have sent a few cases for me to try out. We've got this phone case, which I'm obsessed with. I've already put it on my phone. It's got this little flower pattern. I feel like it's sophisticated but still quite fun, and it's a very sleek, like, protective case. They also sent this one, which is personalised. You've probably already heard of Casetify's phone cases because they're very popular, a lot of people have them, but did you know they also provide protection across a range of different devices, including iPhone, laptop, iPad and AirPods. So they've also sent me this laptop sleeve from their new collection. Head over to the link on screen today to get 15% off your new phone case or laptop sleeve. Thank you, Casetify. I do my to-do list every morning on Notion. This is the boring adult one that's all like laundry, buy milk, and I do a separate one for work. Very quick outfit of the day. Phone case, obviously Casetify. T-shirt is from Etsy, blue jeans and white trainers. It's very casual now, times have changed. I've even got some purple streaks in my hair which have almost washed out, but that's fine too. If I'm going to a client office and working from there, I would dress a lot more formally than this. I would go white button-down shirt, blazer, everything. That is how I used to dress for my office when I was an intern before the pandemic. But times have changed. Now it's very casual. Let's go. In terms of programming languages and software that I use on a daily basis, right now most of my work is Python and SQL. What's up guys, I'm back. It is 10:30 and I'm making a very healthy adult dinner of porridge. Yum. So the reason that I'm back so late is not because I'm such a dedicated hard worker, although I am, but that's not the reason today. The Edinburgh Fringe Festival is on at the moment and I just very last minute agreed to go with a group of people from work. So yeah, I'm back now. And I do actually still need to log on. I've got like about an hour and a half's worth of work still to do that I need to do before tomorrow. So I'm gonna log on once I've eaten something. That is definitely burning. Yeah, I'm gonna log on, finish work for the day. To be honest, in my experience as a consultant, I don't really have standard work hours. Sometimes you just do the 9 to 5 and sometimes, like at the moment, it's pretty busy on my current project. But the work is project based and every so often you join a new project and you work on a different problem with a different team. They can last from 2 or 3 weeks up to years. And the one that I'm currently on, I've been on it for about coming up to 8 months. It's very busy at the moment. So we're dealing with that. Left the office at about 6. I did actually come back very briefly to my flat, FaceTimed a friend on the way home, grabbed something to eat, went to the Edinburgh Fringe show, which is a comedy show at the Three Sisters. It was a good show. And yeah, I'm gonna eat something and get back to work. Here we go again. My project at the moment involves cloud computing, so we're using AWS. I'm using GCP in a side project that I'm working on at work, which is not my main project. Sometimes I think I'm pretty grown up and sophisticated now that I'm an adult with an adult job and an adult rent and everything. And then sometimes I'm just eating porridge out of a pan at 10 PM. Finished my work for today. It's not even today anymore, it's tomorrow. 2 of my colleagues are still online, so that's how work is going. I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow about consulting because it's a bit late now. This was not the day that I had intended to film, but this is what my day was like. I feel like I'm just smarter late at night. I don't have to explain it. I've talked to other people about this and it's not just me, that something happens late at night when you're working, and it just like, I always used to think this at university as well. Like I was better at maths when I was doing it at like 2 in the morning. I'm going to bed now. I'll catch you guys later. Still the same day, but you know, I've had my 8 hours. I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about consulting, just a very high level overview of what it involves, my experience so far. I'm coming up to 2 years now. So in case you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I'm a consultant in data analytics. What that basically means is if you're a consultant, you have a specialist area and you advise companies on it. You can do it freelance, you can do it within a company like I am, but it basically just means you have your area. Other people who don't have that expertise come to you for help with it and you help them solve their problems. My specialist area, or the team that I consult with specialist area, is data analytics. So this is one of those buzz phrases that you've probably heard a lot, but maybe you're not 100% sure what it actually involves. And very high level, it is just getting insights from data. Lots of companies have a ton of data. They don't necessarily know how to use that data to drive decision making. So that is where we come in. And within the team that I consult on, there's technical and non-technical. I'm on the technical side, so that's things like data engineering, data science. On the non-technical side, you've got things like business analysts, data strategy, that sort of thing. So the non-technical side is more sort of understanding the problem and maybe figuring out what data is required, how to get the data, so that the technical side can actually work with the data. There's usually coding involved. The other thing about being a consultant that I think is a bit unique job-wise is that you work project-based. So every so often you join a new project, it's a new client company, a new team that you're working with, and a new problem that you're solving. So it is quite unique, I think, that you get to try out a whole different bunch of jobs and it's all within the same department. I'm not rotating between different departments, and that is really the reason why I picked this job. I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted to do once I graduated, but I knew I wanted to do something data related, and I really enjoyed the maths modules that I took. There was sort of statistics, machine learning, that sort of thing. So this kind of made sense to give me a broader understanding of how that relates to the business world and how that can practically be used to generate insights for companies. So that was a very speedy little overview. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that jazz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.